So mainly while SAP implementation we use this, okay, this 516 563, okay, it's a simple, okay, that's not a big this one, okay, we'll show you. This will be used, okay, this is during implementation or during rollout also, okay, we use this, okay, the moment times to take the stock into the system in SAP, okay. So this is without purchase order, okay. These below, except the first one, okay, the remaining will be used very rare cases, okay, or will not be used, okay, by the clients, okay, any of the clients, okay, very less, but options are there from SAP, they can use it.
Its moment types concept will not be there in WM, I think.
Mm, uh,
Because in MM, I think.
WM, yeah, WM, I heard there are some movement types are also available, but
It's
we do
only
not
this.
enter anywhere. The right, right. But they captured it in the background, I guess. But we don't enter manually. But in
What
inventory management, every time, yeah, we have to enter. Yes, yes.
say normally whatsoever we are in this moment types, everything will happen in WM because when the goods they receive, they have to enter the at least the purchase order number or ASN or the TU. Based on that, they will receive to the warehouse, and from there the activities will start. Without
Mm.
reference will happen. The good movement type will happen in the warehouse itself. In the WM, the thing will happen, but it will capture in the MM, I think. I'm guessing, I'm not too sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
The actual thing will happen in the warehouse itself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, kind of actually, you know what, whatever we are seeing this inventory control, everything will physically happen in the warehouse and all these movements happening. Yeah,
Yes,
maybe
yes.
WM does, yeah, as you said, actually, maybe in the background it's linked to MM and it's happening in MM. Physically, the on screen, we will not see anything in the WM, I think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So where it is, postcodes movement is. So here, I will show you, okay, other how it works. Here, because there is no reference document, right? Another thing is all the data, okay, we have to enter it manually, okay. In case of reference document, data will be copied, right? All the thing will come here, okay. So we don't have to enter anything, okay. We just have to check and post it. But in case of this, we have to enter all the things manually, okay. Here, see, if I select goods receipt other, okay, showing goods without PO and 501 took automatically, okay. So
Yeah.
if I want to do initial entry, yeah, I have to change manually, okay, 561,
Oh,
okay.
okay.
Then enter, okay. Then this warning message will come, continue. So now see, it is changed to initial entry of stock balance.
Yeah, yeah.
After entering the movement type, this has changed. Okay, now here I can't enter anything. Okay, in the item overview. Okay, the item detail. Okay, all the data I have to enter manually here. See which material we want to receive. Okay, I have to enter manually. Okay, material. Okay, quantity also I have to enter. Consider two. Okay, where we have to receive that also we have to enter. Which plant, which store location. All the thing we have to enter manually. Plant is not there. It is not showing. We so many people are using, right? They might have deleted, not sure. Here. So it should have given the generally while entering, right? If it is there, it should give the suggestion, right?
You
Suggestion was
copied it.
not. Okay,
You
now
copied everything.
I copied. Yes, yes. So let us. select the first row location. Okay, so in case of this one, right, initial entry stock balance. Okay, if you want to maintain any text, okay, we can also maintain that. Okay, maybe if it is maybe from the previous ERP system, okay, they need the some reference, okay, then we can maintain. Okay, it is from what stock, or if they want to mention the reference document, okay, that also we can mention reference 1 2 3 4. Okay, or if they want to specify any specification, okay, length width of this material, they can mention it here, okay, in the text for their reference from the old system. Okay, then okay, after entering all the data, so you can see we don't have anything here in the line. Okay, so here click on enter, okay, in the system. After entering, see all the data copied here in the item overview. See here, everything is copied. Even the movement type, you can see 561 is coming here. Okay, also we can see it is plus, means this will increase the stock. Okay,
Yeah.
so let me check what is the stock now. From stock we can check directly here itself. Okay, this symbol. Okay, so it is first time we are doing, it is taking time. See from here it came to stock overview. Stock overview is MMB. Okay, the
Mhm.
transaction code in ERP. So here you can see this material 2. It's a finished product. The unit of measure is each. If I adding 2 means it is 2 each. Okay, so this 1710 company code. Okay, so we can see no stock here. Okay, we don't see any stock. Okay, so let us go back. So this one, okay, from here we can directly go to stock. Okay, what current stock which is there. So now let us post. Okay, let us yeah, it is done. It is there below. Generally in ECC we do at the top, right? So
Yeah.
so here we have check button. Okay, we can check any warning or error messages. So period version issue is not defined. What is this period version? Period version issue is not defined. Okay. Even you can see it is allowed to enter. Okay, either it's from vendor or customer the stock. Okay, that also we can specify. Okay, that vendor or customer is created in the SAP system. Okay, then we have to post it. Now it is giving error. Okay, this is new to me. This error. Period version means this. Looking at the document, this one date. Let's see. Controlling area. Okay, it is something related to finance. So people will be playing in the system, right? So many people are making changes. the first time. Maintain versions. Version SU is notified. Controlling, general controlling. Controlling. That is general controlling. Organization maintain versions. Should maintain versions. This one. Okay. So okay, here we need to maintain SU as a version as per the error. SU notified. Let us copy and create. Sure that it will allow. Maybe somebody has added that version into our company code, okay, from finance side as SU. So I just created it. I'm not sure whether it works or not. Let us see. I have to do it here.
Check now.
Yeah, it exit and so we'll show you what functionality. Okay, see. I'm not sure when error is there, it will allow. Let us try. Okay. 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 So uh, it is giving date and time. Okay, as a remark. We can put our comments. Okay. Even if we can delete this and we can change. Okay. Let us take whatever it's proposing. Okay. Continue. So see, this is L data. Okay. This is our whole document. Okay, which is available. Okay. We can go back. So now if I go to the same Mumbai app application, okay, see here it is available. I can just click on this. All the data will be copied here. See. Now let us check, okay, because we have maintained error should go. Period ocean issue is not. Yes. Saved it, right? Let me save and come back. Just exit. Go here. Oh. And now after once I opened
Huh.
it, I did not save, right? It gone.
Yeah.
Okay, I have to enter once again. Let me try here. 7 0. Enter. Post. Period version is 7. Transition okay. We select the line for version 0 and then terminal setting for each fiscal year. Each fiscal year folder. Define. Each fiscal year folder. Copy and existing fiscal year through copy button. Change the fiscal year copy. New fiscal year and save. Okay, after this setting, we have to do this OK EB. Let me try this that also. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure what is our controlling area. How do I know what is my controlling area? Let me check in the organization, enterprise structure, assignment, controlling. Okay, assign company code to controlling area. Source is once. Okay. Select the stuff. This is tricky. Company code is their selection, it will be easy. They're asking controlling area itself. Assignment of company codes. Company code 003. Course is 1710. Company code. Okay, controlling area is 8000 only. Set to user 9.
Somebody is working in the FI, I think.
Hmm. We go back and come once again. Okay. Okay, here what they have told, they have said. Set the line for version 0. Okay. Double click on the settings for each fiscal year folder. Just we need to select this version locked. That's right, it's not working. Here, copy existing fiscal year. In the fiscal year, copy to new fiscal year. Save. Now let us hold it. Exit. Not sure. It's not going. Okay. So we have performed all the steps. Okay. Like this, we have to enter the data. Okay. So if any text is there, we have to enter. So even though, so SAP system is allowed to enter the vendor and customer also. Okay. If it is there. Okay. That also we can enter it. Okay. All this data has to given by the client. Okay. So whatever the client will give, the data we enter and we post the stock into the system. Okay. So this is how we use initial entry of stock balances. Okay. Similar way. Okay. So without purchase order. Okay. Here also we have to enter all the data manually. Okay. In free of charge delivery without production. Okay. So all this will be similar way only. Okay. You can try. Okay. If any issues. Okay. Let me know. Okay. So in free of charge delivery. Okay. One thing is. I think in case of here, okay, text is not mandatory. Okay, let me try with this one, free of charge. I think there, because it is given as a free, right? We have to enter why it given as a free. Okay, because after sometimes when we are checking some physical inventory or we are counting something, okay, we are not sure why we have extra document, extra materials or extra stock which is showing, right? So when we check the text, right? So then we'll have some comments. Okay, accordingly we can identify. Okay, this is we received it free from the vendor or free from some other way. Okay, as a gift. Okay, so like that we can make a differentiate between the which is received free, which is received by the payment. Okay, so here it will be other only. So here we have to change it to 511. Okay, one we are receiving. So enter. So you can see text is becoming grid. This means this is a required field. Okay, in case of this 511. Okay, it's a required field. Without entering this, okay, it won't allow. Okay, let me check. Okay, it asks us to enter. See, enter text, enter vendor. These two are mandatory fields. Okay,
Yeah.
we have to enter a vendor also. Okay, a vendor we have to enter here. Okay, and in where tab we have to enter the text. Okay, why we have received it as free. Okay, so like that. Okay, these two are mandatory. So all this will be controlled by the movement type. Okay, that's why movement type is also important. Okay, during configuration we'll see. Okay, how this will be mandatory. Okay, so like that. Check any errors. Okay, this we have to enter and Just enter gift. This error will go partner. Select this vendor. Okay, check this version name. This error is coming for GR. Okay. So then post.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how we do 511 movement type. Okay. Without free of charge.